What is up, everyone? How's everyone doing? So today I'm going to be replacing my torn boot, axle boot. It's been raining here in LA, so I think it's time to change it before everything gets worse. Take this out. So I'm going to remove all those nuts, those bolts, and then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to lean it over this way. So hopefully, let me try that step, and then I'm just going to insert the cover. Alright, I'm going to start removing all these bolts right here. So basically, I didn't have to remove this. I just removed this piece right here and then just pull it out. Make sure you release this holder right here and right here and right here. So just pull it out. See how the axle is coming off already, half of the axle. So just pull it out. I'm going to have to clean it. There it is. So see, there's water in there. That brown stuff is water mixed with other stuff, so I'm gonna have to clean it up and put the new one in. That's it for now. And then this is the old boot right here, so I'm gonna have to remove it, just cut it up. All right, also you need to remove the cover over here. It's held on by Phillips screws only, and a what is that, 15 millimeter, I don't know, 15 I think. These two bolts right here, the bracket, that way you have all that room. Okay, so basically guys, I removed the nut. I ended up removing it. It's a 36 millimeter, and then you know, as you can see, that thing's pretty dirty, so just go ahead and pull it towards you this way. It's on a jack stand right now because I don't want my brake to dangle. Just go ahead and pull towards you, and the axle pops out. So that's the half shaft. So I'm gonna put a new boot on it, and cut all the, turn it a little bit, and that comes off, and it's a half shaft. The other side is still okay. All right, so I'm gonna rebuild the boot. I will be right back. Oh yeah. So basically, this is the new boot. As you can see, it has a groove on it. The axle is still good. There's nothing wrong with it. All the bearings are smooth. Clean it up. Make sure you remove this retainer. That way you can pull this out. That way you can put the boot in. Okay. It's a little bit finicky, kind of bitch to work on. Get a jaw puller. All right, and pull it out. That's what I use. I pulled it out. This came off. Be careful with this. You don't want this bearing to come off. Anyway, just remove this retainer. Once you take it out, put the pulley here and then grab it from there. This will come off this way, and then to put it back, I have a press, so I pressed it back in around here with a socket. I think I used what socket did I use? A 23 mil. Yeah, it's a 23 mil that goes in there, and I just pressed it down. Anyway, that's the end of that. If you want to replace your boot, you don't need to buy a whole this. This is $29 online. It comes with all the proper clips, and it's pretty pricey, but cheaper than buying the whole thing. Checked everything. Everything is good. Now I'm ready to put it back on. I pressed it in, and it's all in. So gotta put the grease on though. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. And then reclip all this stuff right here because I unclipped it and replaced the. See that? Both freaking boot. Torque the nut and then pinch. That's the easy way, and I'm gonna have to spray all those residue with my pressure washer. All right, that's one of the easy way, and then put everything back.